Just let her go, alright? She has nothing to do with this. Let her go.
I will not let her go. She has a role to play. Take her.
What?
Don't try any shit. Move. Don't try any shit.
What is this?
Take it!
Over to you.
Take it.
What is this?
Take it from me!
Divorce papers. And you are going to sign it.
Are you serious?
You want me to divorce my husband?
Oh no. You are going to marry him, you dummy. Of course you're divorcing him.
No, I won't.
You will.
No, I won't. He's my husband. And he's been nothing but good to me. So I am sorry, I will not divorce my husband. You can go ahead and do whatever you like.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.